Welcome back to Natalia's classroom. Data analysis is incomplete without graphs and without visualization. So we will have some NumPy arrays and we will have some data in our NumPy arrays, and then we will use a very powerful library, Matplotlib, and we will see that how can we create different types of graphs and plots to visualize our data. So for data science and for data analysis, plotting and visualization of data and results is a must. So let's start using the Matplotlib library. So the first thing is to import Matplotlib. So this is the first thing we need to do. We need to import matplotlib dot python plot as plt. So matplotlib has a lot of options and a lot of built-in functions regarding data visualization and graphs. So today we will see that how we can utilize the functions in matplotlib. So first of all, import matplotlib as python plot as plt. And the next thing is that we need to import NumPy because we are going to store our data in NumPy arrays. So let's create few arrays first of all with some data. We can read CSV files. We can also read data from the CSV files and into a pandas data frame or in a dictionary, and we can use that as well. So I will demonstrate it later in some tutorial that. So these are my two NumPy arrays, and if you want to see that how to create NumPy arrays and what is the NumPy package, you can check out my tutorial videos. I have two NumPy arrays. One is year, and it has some years, and the other one is some profit. There are some profit in millions and billions. So whatever is your data, we will see how we can uh, use them. So I'm just going to change the data a little bit, and now we just want to create a simple graph. So we will use matplotlib plt dot scatter. We are going to create a scattered plot. So this is the scatter function of plt matplotlib library, and we are just going to pass two parameters, uh, and these two parameters are the NumPy arrays, and that's it. So it is already showing me the graph, and we need to call this show function to see the graph. So these are the years on the x-axis, and these are the profits on the y-axis. So there are certain functions and properties through which we can set the title and labels for the graph. So let's explore these functions. Okay, so this is a scatter graph where we can see different dots on the data points, but we can create a very simple graph, and instead of scatter, I will just write plot and it will create a simple line graph for me. So this is a simple line graph, and the data points are not shown in the form of dots or circles. So let's see how we can set labels, and plt dot x. So plt.x label will set a label for our x-axis, and in the double quotes I can give the label. So see here it is showing me the label year, and same I can set label for y-axis with y label, and here I can put profit. There are many advanced features that can be set using the matplotlib library. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of the graph. And in the next tutorial, I will explore some more properties and functions of matplotlib library. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel and stay connected for data visualization tutorials in Python.